tab a little bit.
Okay, certified shit, man. So they say stay away from the rubber part. Now I watch so many videos. Stay away from the rubber part. Y'all heard it? Y'all hear that chat? You can go on the rubber part. Certified mechanic. I made a video you tagged in. You seen it?
We're gonna use the everything on under the
You can jack right here. You can jack on the plastic piece. Certified. I would have been all day. Trying to get 2 tires under that jack cause he said he don't believe in jack stands. You know what I'm saying? Need more some secure. So I'm saying that jump down. Wet sand. Huh? Think we tall enough. What socket that is?
15 and 14, 17, right?
17?
Yep, 17, 13, 16. It's a 2-side socket. One on the side, one.
Okay, so you need both of them?
No, this is a 2-side.
You need a 17?
Yeah, 17.
This is 17.
Yeah, and use something else.
Yeah.
So you go like that.
That's hard. Where you get that from?
Amazon.
Amazon. Hey. It's coming right off.
I get a little tap a little bit.
Okay. Certified shit, man.
Clean the counters up.
Yeah. See, this how you do this shit for real, you know what I'm saying? Now I'll show you these right here on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? They tell you get a jack. Don't touch the metal. Don't touch the plastic. You know what I'm saying? We hooking this shit up. Alright, let me flip it. I ain't how I want it. Everything prepped up. The only thing I don't got is those hammers. That ain't none though. I already got the video on this. I got the video already.